Yeah, sorry again. Yeah, so welcome to the Salesforce Marketing Cloud demo session, which is conducted by Salesforce, SV Tech. So myself, Kumar, and I'm having around total 7+ years of experience in the Salesforce ecosystem, where I worked like various cloud service, service, marketing, and interaction studio, marketing cloud intelligence, Pardot. I worked various clouds. So now I'm giving the training for Salesforce Marketing Cloud end to end. Okay. So yeah, so the plan of the session is I'll be taking 20 to 30 minutes of a session. Like I'll walk you through the entire marketing cloud and what is the strategies and why is it important, and when compared to the competitor marketing tools, why this is important. I'm going to cover all of this stuff initially. After that, we have a Q&A session at last after 30 minutes. So there you can ask whatever the questions are. It's related to any of the thing, like it's related to Salesforce Marketing Cloud, or be it related to the career. How do you, embed your skill with the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, or how do you cross platforming, right? So some few people will cross technology, like from Java to Salesforce Marketing Cloud, or from .NET, whatever the thing. So you can ask what type of any type of questions in the Q&A session. Okay. So me let's get started on the demo. Yeah. So before taking ahead into the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, let's understand the term called marketing. What is marketing, and why is it important in the actual real world? Okay. So how the marketing actually plays an important role in the uh, in promoting or in establishing any of the product or a brand to the market, correct? So yeah, the marketing is the process of planning and executing activities to promote your product and services to the customers to meet their needs, right? So for an example, if you created any product, or if you developed anything, okay, even the AI, for an example of AI, now the team is build AI and they're working, but unless until they're doing the promotions, okay, and they're doing the market, so no one knows about AI, what is AI and what is that, what it is does, correct? See, in the real world, what AI does, no one knows. Means in actual practical scenarios, but uh, on the top of the thing they are promoting means so AI is coming newly and is doing so and so stuff, but even though they can do it can do lot of stuff, but at the end of the day, on a promotional level, they show some basic stuff, so basic stuffs, and they keep on promoting their things, right, in social media, or in the beat in the YouTube ads, be it in the Facebook, whatever it is. So any places they are promoting the AI features, correct? So that's how, that is the one recent example. Similarly, you can take any of the marketing applications, or the any of the product related, okay, be it automobile industries related thing, be it e-commerce application, if you are launching any of the new e-commerce application, or any traveling agents, or any make my trip kind of a thing, anything. So for anything, so you need to, you need to what to say, promote, or you need to scale that product, right? In the real world, so you have to do the marketing. Okay. So why is it important? So see, suppose you created a product and you're not doing the marketing. So how the customer won't know, or the global audience won't know about your right, about your brand. So it is very important to create a brand awareness to the customers across the globe. So that's where this marketing is key role, because earlier, before this digital thing, right? So earlier, the marketing, how happens is, people will go and knock the individual doors and showcase their product and explain about their product and doing the stuff, correct? So that is the older version of doing the marketing. Now in the digital world, how the marketing is happening, so everything is happening only online, correct? So they're just doing the some creating some ads, Google ads, or YouTube ads, and they're just paying something to the uh, people like YouTube or any of the Google uh, platforms, and they're promoting their brand. So that is the uh, basically the whole thing is to create awareness for of your brand. Okay. So and next is drive profit and growth. See, if you're doing well in the marketing side, like generating the leads and getting the stuff, then obviously you will get a good growth and the profit out of it, right? From the marketing point of view. And building a brand reputation is again, if you are already established, means for an example, Amazon or say take any other Flipkart, so they already well established in the market, and the brand is already people know about it. So they want to build a reputation, means they want to keep upgrading on their product and their services. So that is how the marketing are. How do you do that? Means you keep on engaging to their loyal customer, or keep on updating and keep on sending the new features to the customers. So that's how you can reputate your brand. Okay. And understand the customer preference is again the marketing importance, because see, for an example, in the Amazon or the Flipkart, any of the e-commerce application, you are only willing or you are only interested in buying the mobile accessories. Okay, so you don't want to receive the communication for the any electronic devices, or like any clothing or any other stuff. So you are only interested in the mobiles. Okay, so I, as a automation engineer, I need to understand your preferences. Okay, you are my loyal customer. I need to understand your preferences, and I can send only those kind of communication, like only mobile related stuff. Any new mobile is launching, or any refurbished mobiles are with the low prices is going out on the Diwali sale, or any of the sales. So that's how the marketing strategies to understand or take, I mean, consider the customer preference and send the target right content for the right audience. Okay, and enhance the engagement. So this is something again, you keep on interacting with the your existing customers to know the recent uh, I mean product or whatever it is. Okay, that is about the marketing importance. uh, Take any application or anything. This is very important as a marketing strategist, right? Next up, the digital marketing. Excuse me. So before actually going into the marketing cloud, okay. So earlier, I mean, now also the digital marketing is there. So how the uh, how the marketing strategist works in the real world. So, okay. So digital marketing, it is also doing the similar kind of promotions, right? So it is also creating the brand awareness in the online, basically, like promoting your brand, like creating some Google ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and they're getting the leads out of it. Okay, so so the main aim of the digital marketing is to promote your brand and get the leads out of it. Lead is nothing but a subscription, like if you see on the ads on the Google and somewhere, uh, uh, to register for that product. So till that means, to register or to subscribe for that particular channel or particular um, brand of a product or the application. So till that, the digital marketing plays a key role. Like they can create ads on the web pages or the social media, or they're doing the multimedia messages onto the direct mobile. So those all comes with the digital marketing. But we're not stopping there, right? So you have to deep dive into furthermore. So not only getting the leads. See, uh, as a marketing manager or a marketing automation engineer, your job is not yet done, right? So you just get the leads. So how do you improvise on that top of that, correct? How do you keep engaging the customers? And see, if I am subscribing, but even though I didn't do any, I'm not going to do any transaction or any purchase. It's not. I mean, it's not helping for the uh, in terms of the revenue, right? So unless until you purchase and you get something, then only as a marketing manager, your the job is a bit more done, and you are getting some revenue out of it. So that is how the next level of marketing is the personalized marketing. which is nothing but the data driven marketing, or we can also call it as a data driven marketing. So what exactly it is? So it is basically, it helps to it helps to target the audience based on their information which we already have in the system. So till the digital marketing, the strategy is to get the input or leads into the system and into the marketing system or marketing cloud or any of the marketing tools basically. So after that, so what is personalized? Personalized is nothing but, as I mentioned, right? So it considers the preference of the customer, okay, and it's consider the it is sending the customers with the name, with representing their names. For an example, you are receiving the Flipkart email, just hi dear, so on so stuff, right? So you won't be satisfied, or you won't be, it won't be look good. Hi Kumar, or hi Sarita, or whatever the name. So it take that personalization, feels that acha, this marketing agent did personalization with my name and with my address or my phone numbers, or based on my recent purchases, he send out the, he given me my 40% off or 20% off. Suppose you are registered for the first time, so on the next email, hi Kumar, thank you for registering, and we will be providing you the coupon of 50% off for your first transaction, or we will be providing the $100 off on your first purchase. So this kind of a personalized email will help to do the business more, or do the transactions more, or purchasing the products is, chances of purchasing the product is high, right? So that is how the personalized marketing works, right? Wherein even though not only for the first time, even though the customer is purchased or the customer is existing with the system from the long time, still we will be able to communicate with him for the next purchases, right? And because he is our loyal customer, we need to send out him to the different kind of promotional emails, like with any of the new launch products, or any of the new offers that you are providing, right? We are providing the some silver jubilee offers, or golden jubilee, so whatever the thing. So based on the customer data, we will be providing. That is what we call it as a personalized marketing or the data driven marketing. See, all this is important in a marketing level, wherein uh, how much ever you uh, target your end customer with your content is a key. Okay, so you need to understand the customer, if, I mean, in depth basically. So you want, that's why, that's where the marketing strategies like, so not only after, I mean, see, I hope you guys already seen that if you just given the first name, last name, and mobile address, in the next email, few companies or few marketing strategists will send a new email stating that to complete your full information, or for the portfolio, or to finish fill your profile, like your profile is done with 25%, fill your profile with the next 75%. Means to know the customers, the email marketing strategist works to send the next email to fill the further information, like your address, like your, what is your preferences, and what is your background, and where is you located. So because the marketing emails will be sent out based on the location wise, because uh, if India, there is a different kind of offers and different kind of product will be launched. In US, there is a different kind of offers and the product will be launched. UK, it's different. Europe, it's different. So to know the customers information is the key in the marketing world. Okay, so that is where we can actually target with the personalized content. Is nothing but you have every information about your customers, so you can personalize him, you can personally target him. Means you can personally send an email to his inbox and provide your features. Okay, and what is the benefits of the personalized marketing? So if you do that, right, if you're doing the business with your known customer, so what is the benefits of it? Okay, so you know the customer. So I mean, for an example, Amazon know me. Amazon knows Kumar well. So and they are doing with the Kumar with a personalized email. What is what are the benefits out of it? Okay, so they can increase the customer engagement, right? So they means they keep engaging with me because they already knows me and I purchased something. Okay, Means they since I'm purchased one product, so they keep sending me the other product or similar kind of a product, so that they won't lose my what to say uh, my contact with them, right? So they keep engaging with me. Okay, so that's how they increase the customer engagement. See, suppose for example, if the Amazon doesn't know, and for an example, X person is just registered and they didn't do any transaction. Okay, so Amazon what will do? Just send a reminder, then just ignore them, because uh, that's how. See, it is not important for them. He just, even though he's registered, is they're targeting to hit him, but he's not a loyal customer. He's not an existing customer, so they don't want to send a furthermore communication as a known customer. So since I am a known customer to Amazon, so there is a chances of or sending the personalized email or engaging with the known customer will be increased. Okay, and what is the next thing is, next benefit is enhance your customer experience. Okay, so enhance customer experience is nothing but since you already know me and you're doing the personalized information, so whatever the experience means, the building of the email or the preferences of the customers will be increased, because I'm from India. So our next upcoming active, event or upcoming or the past event is Diwali, or maybe next comes up with the Christmas, right? So it's more of a sending out those kind of a promotional emails related to the next upcoming activity, right? So those everything can be done by the marketing manager. So to as a marketing manager or the marketing cloud automation engineer, to read the content, basically to read the customer, to understand the customer, and better how we can improvise on top of it. So that is how the benefits of the personalized marketing to increase the customer experience and increase the customer loyalty and the retention. So since, as I mentioned, right, so since I'm the old customer, and uh, with the personalized marketing, how they keep on sending me and keep on engaging with me, so that they are loyal to me, and they are not their chances of retaining me. Because see, if the Amazon is not sending the emails on a regular basis, right, even though I purchased the order in last 3 months ago, okay, so still they are sending the upcoming brand emails to me, because they are loyal to me, and even I am the loyal customer of them. Because since my past experience or my past order, so they are willing to send them emails, and there is a chance of retaining me is high. Because if I'm not actively purchasing, or if they are not actively communicating to with me, right, so I chances of forgetting Amazon, and I can move to the other application, right? I can go for a Flipkart, I can go for a Myntra to buy something. So if they keep on communicating or keep on engaging with me, so I there are the chances of retaining the customer is high. Okay, and improve the conversion rate. So improve the conversion rate is nothing but as we mentioned, right? So if you keep on targeting the customers, right? For an example, if I purchase, if I registered, and you're uh, sending offer percentages, I purchase one product. After a few months, after a few days, you're sending again the similar kind of a promotional email. So that's how you keep on engaging with me, and I keep on purchasing the orders. So that's how the conversions will high, means uh, chances of purchasing the products will be high with the personalized marketing. So that is another important benefits from the personalized marketing. Okay, so why I'm mentioning the personalized marketing is, so the digital marketing is itself is a, I would say, like a global level, or it's not uh, for a particular customer level. It's about the brand, or it's about the product that they want to promote outside, means to the global audience. But the marketing tool or the marketing cloud or the Salesforce marketing cloud, what it does is, if you have the customer data, how can you improvise on top of it? How can you make personalize? How can you target personally to the for a particular customer? What is, you need to see what is important. Okay, what is more interested in it. So that's where this personalized marketing or the data driven marketing will helps and hit the target to the right time and the right audience to get a more revenue out of it. Okay, so yeah, this all the activities does by the Salesforce marketing cloud. Okay, so why Salesforce marketing cloud is important? Okay, and even though we have the for doing the similar kind of a stuff, right, so the personalized marketing or the data driven marketing, So we have in the market like competitor to the Salesforce Marketing Cloud is the Marketo app. We have Mailchimp, we have Pardot. So there are plenty of marketing tools available in the ready to available in the market. Okay, to as a marketing tools to do the same similar kind of a job. But why Salesforce Marketing Cloud is important? Okay, so let's understand those stuff now. Yeah. Why, I mean, why you have to choose the Salesforce Marketing Cloud is, so Salesforce Marketing Cloud is covers the customer 360 view of a targeting, right? So in how many possible ways you can target the customer, it has everything. Okay, for an example, Mailchimp has the uh, only email stuff, and Marketo has the emails and SMS stuff or the push notification, but they don't have the inline or line up messages, correct? So everything has its own, I mean, so every other tool has its some limitation, but the Salesforce Marketing Cloud doesn't have any limitation. It sends the communication through all the possible channels, be it email, be it a mobile or like a push notification or SMS, be it a WhatsApp, be it a web also will do the promotions through the web online and with the inline apps or line charts. Okay, and they're recently introducing the AI chatbots as well as the Slack channel communication. So everything. So every possible channels, how we can hit the target or target the audience, they have everything. That is the first thing. And the second thing is, uh, so you don't need to purchase anything extra to utilize these resources. Once you purchase your Salesforce Marketing Cloud Enterprise Edition, so you will get everything. Okay, so for an example, if you purchase the Marketo app and you want to do some Slack channel communication into that, so you need to integrate those Slack channels with the Marketo app and purchase the license for the chat Slack channels and everything. It's an extra cost, and altogether those are the two different things. But when you purchase marketing rights, Marketing Cloud with the Enterprise Edition, everything comes along with it. Okay, so it's just a plug and play. Like you need to just connecting with the apps and do your marketing strategy. Okay, so that is another advantage. And as you can see this here, right? So we have the web, we have the social, we have email, everything. Okay, every possible way we can hit the target and hit the targeted audience. So that is another advantage. And the next advantage is uh, this Salesforce Marketing Cloud has, I mean, not only Salesforce Marketing Cloud, all the marketing clouds has the uh, features or they keep on upgrading themselves by every 4 months, every quarter they are upgrading. Like they are keep on updating. Like the recent changes, the new AI features also they are introducing in the marketing cloud. Similarly, for every 4 months, they are upgrading themselves. Similarly, how the Android or the any software applications will upgrade, right? So similarly, Salesforce Marketing Cloud also upgrading their features by every 4 months, so that you will get to see the latest features or latest available any new technologies. They will definitely embed and do the stuff. Like I hope if the people are from the Salesforce background, so they know if something comes in the market, Salesforce will acquire them or maybe collaboration with them, because at the end of the day, Salesforce guys are doing the doing the solutions or providing the solutions at one place. So if you purchase one thing from the Salesforce, you have everything in your hand. So that is the aim of the Salesforce. So if you are choosing the Salesforce Marketing Cloud as a marketing tool, you are the you are on the track, and this is the number one tool, number one marketing tool in the current market. Excuse me. Okay, and yeah, I'll pause on the PPT now. I'll just take you through the org. So what exactly Salesforce Marketing Cloud support in the real world, and I'll show the org how it look like. Okay, so this is the page where you can log in. Like if you have the Salesforce Marketing Cloud account, so this is the page where you can land for the first time. Okay. So here what Salesforce Marketing Cloud does is it has the different studios and different builders and different instance features or the App Exchange product and the platforms. Okay. So what exactly this is? So um, in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, we have a studio for building the emails, and we have a builders to support it. And for the mobile, we have a separate builder and a separate studio. And for the social and for the web applications, everything is it has a its own studio, so that you won't be confused, and it has its own features. Means email has its own features or content blocks to build it. Similarly, mobile studio has its own content blocks to build the content for the mobiles or the push notification, or for the web studio also it has its own features. Okay, so what I'm going to cover in the uh, training is, I'm going to train you guys on the end to end of the email studio, like how to create a emails like from the scratch. Okay, how do you actually make the personalized email or the data driven emails. Okay, and how the dynamic emails look like, how to create those stuff, right? So I will be taking care of everything. And the next thing is, I'm going to in the training I'm going to provide the um, questionnaire, like Q&A at the end of every training, and I'm going to give the assignment questions for each topic. So suppose I'm covering the email creation today, I'm going to give a couple of use cases, real-time use cases for with you guys to practice on top of that, and for the next session, so that you can come up with the new challenges, or you can come up with a new question. So that's how my training will be taken place, right? So similarly for the marketing and all. And so we covered, I mean, we see a lot of stuff, right? So why it is important, what is it? So why, how it is important for the marketing cloud automation engineer, right? See, you're learning marketing cloud. See, till now I'm talking about the marketing cloud importance and how it works, right? But how it is beneficial is for us basically. So suppose you are learning marketing cloud, what is how it helps to helping you, right, in your career. So nowadays, every product launching, or every e-commerce application, or every application doing the market in the real world, right? So it can't do without the marketing cloud automation engineers like us, because we are the only persons who can make the automations or make the things automated. Because see, no one sits and no one send the emails for a customers on a daily basis, right? So suppose you're registered today, okay, on a just a point of clicks. So for an example, Amazon or a Flipkart won't hire an automation engineer to send out an email after your registration, correct? Manually. So these things can be automated. So as an automation engineer, what is our role is to make it automate. So for an example, uh, for this process, right? So for if you register something, automatically the email has to trigger. So those kind of automation uh, created by automation engineer like her, so that this will be automated, right? This will be automated, and no what to say, manual intervention is needed. Automatically the email will trigger. So similarly, when you the thing, right? When you purchase the order, when you place the order, automatically the order related email will go out, and automatically the invoice related email will go out, correct? Automatically, if some new product launches or a new sale is coming out, right? So automatically those kind of emails will be targeted to our audience. So as a marketing cloud engineer or the automation engineers like us, our job is to make it automated and make it smoother. Okay, so that is the key important, and it has guys, it has huge demand in the market. Okay, so if you feel that, I mean, is it really having that scalability in the market, uh, if you are thinking in that way, just ignore all of those stuff. It is very very what to say, the huge demand in the market for the automation engineers, because we are understanding the data. Okay, we are sending the personalized emails, correct? So for an example, you have a product launch in the US region. Okay, so as a marketing, I mean, and you have the data of the customers across the globe, correct? So in this case, what happens is, if you why marketing cloud automation engineers helps you to read the data from the marketing from the global data, for an example, from across the globe. you need to filter out only US people and you need to send to only US people with those Apple 16, which is a new launch, right? So those kind of activities we will be doing with the help of Automation Studio, which is a very uh, important tool which helps to create or which helps to automate the flow. Okay, so as an example I mentioned, right? So if you are belong to particular region and you want to target only particular region people, then use automation, segment your audience and send it only for them. Okay, so similarly, based on the customer preferences also, like I mentioned, using automation, we can see the customer preferences and what is his interest, either he is interested in the only phone, iPhone, or any Android application. See, basically to read the data, as an engineer, automation engineer, to read the customer data, understand his preferences, setting up the targeted email for them and send it. So that is our job is to do. So those activities to achieve in the real market, we have a huge demand. Okay, so don't think that if I learn what Salesforce Marketing Cloud, will it help in my career? Absolutely, it definitely helps, and it has huge impact on the real world. Okay, so and there is one more thing called journey builder, which is again is an again an automation activity similar to the automation. It's more of a customer engagement. Suppose you open the first email and system will automatically reads that he's opened the email but he's not added or he's not purchased anything. That is one example. Other example is you searched some products in the Amazon or Flipkart and you added to the cart but you haven't purchased. So that time what we'll do, the journey builder reads your activities and send out the cart related emails. Your cart is empty, or your cart is your cart is waiting, or some kind of a message. So those kind of things will automatically set up in the journey builder. So this is all one time setup. So once you set up now, it will apply for all the customers. Okay, so those kind of stuff I am going to cover as well as I'm going to cover some SQL queries with basic SQL queries with the joins and uh, some of the stuff which is related to SQL query to basically segment your audience. Okay, segment your audience and creating your own data extension and the stuff. So I'm going to cover end to end, guys, with some cloud pages, with some AI Einstein features. Okay, and we have some beautiful analytics reports builders, like what are the activities you performed recently, or see in a real time projects, how the customer is, how the client is expecting is they want to see the tracking of reports, or the tracking of the campaigns which run last week, or which campaign is does better, and they wanted to take the decision on top of it, right? So if some of the campaigns is not doing good, so they want to know, like, why is not doing good, and those stuff can be easily tracked using the marketing cloud analytics builder. Okay, so I'm going to cover most of the things, and yeah, those all are the uh, what is the features and the topics which I'm going to cover in the training. Apart from that, apart from that, as a SV Tech, we are, we have completed almost around 50 batches till now, and we will be providing this training. Okay, training with the license of, since you already aware, like Salesforce Sales Cloud, Service Cloud will be readily available with a free of cost, but Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a paid version. So we will be providing this paid version for you along with the training uh, till 4 months. So you can and up till until 4 months you will be able to access and you will be able to practice these things. Okay, so we will be able to support that on that. And again, by the end of the training, we will be providing the documentations, and we will be providing the interview questions, and we will be providing some training like the live projects. Okay, and we will be helping on you to the certifications and resume building, most of the stuff, like what is required to get hired or get placed, right? So in all the aspects we will be try to uh, chip in and help you guys out of it. Okay, so yeah, so that's all. In terms of the demo. So now the session is open for the Q&A. So yeah, feel free to ask any kind of a question, guys.
So one question here,
Mhm.
what is like about the AMP scripts? I know that Marketing Cloud uses AMP scripts. Are you going to cover the AMP scripts as well?
Yes, yes, yeah. I think I forgot to mention that. So I'm going to cover the coding part like AMP script as well as the HTML, CSS along with the SQL queries. Yeah.
So by the end of this Marketing Cloud training, we are able to do the admin certification and also the developer certification, right?
Yeah. So here in the Marketing Cloud, we have a basic certification is the Email Studio Specialist certification. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So firstly, yeah, we will be covering the admin as well as the Email Studio Email Specialist certification. Yeah. The developer is something which is a bit advanced.
Mm-hmm.
So since we have started, right, you guys have started. So as a recommendation from the Salesforce and my side also, first do the email specialist certification. That is the basic certification, like what we have in the Sales Cloud PD1, right, or in
Mm-hmm.
any of the Amazon web service. I mean, any of the other technologies has a basic certification. Similarly, here we have the Email Studio email specialist certification, which almost cover the admin activities also. But yeah, that is going to cover, yeah.
Okay. And what about the connections with the Salesforce data?
Yeah, we do have the MC connector, so that's what. So you can find the in the table of content like we have the connectors, MC connector, Marketing Cloud connector, which helps us to connect with the sales or service or the financial cloud and get the data from the sales or service financial cloud
Mm-hmm.
and process from there. Yeah, we do have that in the training.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yep, yep. Yeah. Any other question, guys? You can ask, I mean, any kind of a question, like be it topic related or be it technology related.
Yeah. So the Marketing Cloud org access, Kumar,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
the org, will it have some data? So like let's say we complete we complete couple of classes and we want to practice. If
Mm-hmm.
there is no data, we won't be like it's of no use, right? So what kind
Uh,
of org license it is? Would you be able to?
yes, yes, we will be providing the access of the basic arc, whatever the requirement is there. So
Hi, Kumar, I have a question. Um, can you hear me?
I can hear you, but I think we lost.
Oh, okay.
Kumar, we can't hear you. At least I can't hear you.
hello, guys. Sorry,
Yeah,
Yes, Kumar.
due to some network issue, session got dropped. Yeah. So, Pradeep, you're asking something, right?
Yeah, I
Hello,
asked the question
can you hear
about
me?
the org and the data. Yes, yes, Kumar.
Yeah, yeah. You have to create your data. like building the emails for the images and all, right? So let me just show. Is my screen visible?
No, not yet.
I don't think so. Yeah.
Yeah, we
So
can see your screen.
this for the building of this. Yeah. So building of these emails, right? So sample emails and all, you have to. I mean, it's a free of the things, like you can take it from the Google and upload your own images and create your own email templates. So nothing can be restricted. You can create your own data, and even though whatever I'm covering on the classes, right, you can able to see those data also. So nothing to worry on that. Is that
Got
clear?
it. Yes, Kumar. Thank you.
Yeah. Yep. No worries. Any other question, guys?
Yeah, so this course is applicable for the developer, or do we have to have any kind of certifications to pursue as an Salesforce marketing cloud engineer going forward?
See, as a basic, as I mentioned, right, as a recommendation. So firstly, we need to finish the email specialist, admin, then the developer. So this course is covering about the basics of the developer. So the developers is something which is a bit advanced, I would say. That's what. So if you are new to the thing, right? So you have to go with the step by step. So first you have to understand the email creation and the stuff, right? Everything. Then even though email specialist will cover the development part, which is needed for the email developers to create an email template, which I'm going to cover. Yeah.
So, the admin
Sorry, your voice is low.
so can you hear me now?
Sorry.
So it is just covering the admin level?
No. The developer level also covers, but to do the certification, right? So you should have good experience, good hands-on experience. Then only we'll get to clear the certification in terms of. But I'm covering the admin and the development part.
Okay, fine. So with regards to the data that you said it will be available, will it be accessible for the 4 months when the org
Yes.
is okay?
Yeah. So this is how you can create your own images. You can download the image and you can upload, right? And you can download SVText of whatever the image is, and you can create your email.
Okay.
Yeah, we will be covering the AMP script and all. So this is how we normally create the emails and stuff. Yeah. Any other question, guys? Any other question related to the content or the training or the certifications or be it live projects and all?
If we want to have extended access, so will you give it like for practicing? If I want to extend, if I want access to the org for more than 4 months, will you give
Mhm.
access with extra pay or like that?
Yes. Yeah, we will be providing the access after that also, but at a cost. Yeah.
So per month, for if I want an extra 1 month, how much it would cost?
Yeah, I need to check with Kishore and I'll let you know, because I'm a trainer.
Okay.
So org related things, everything will be handled by Kishore. So yeah, but we will be providing. No issues with that.
Perfect.
Yeah. Any other questions, guys? Yeah, I think no questions. And once again, thank you for joining the session, guys, and and make it successful. And yeah, we'll planning soon to start the session, live sessions from Monday onwards. Okay. So as I mentioned earlier, so we will be, collaborating with the SV Tech, and we completed almost around 50 batches, and we have a good track of, placing in the sense to helping the associates to get hired in the organization. Okay, so if you're choosing this thing, you're in the right place, and you're choosing the technology also right. Okay, so we will be helping in all the aspects, whatever it's needed to get hired, right? So we'll be helping in all the aspects. So yeah. Yep,
So you'll be
if you don't
provided
have
end
any
of the
questions,
training.
sorry.
Will you be providing recordings daily, or you'll be providing it end
Yep.
of the session?
Yeah, at max we will be provided the training after ending of the session, like after means to download to upload it will take a couple of hours, right? So probably within next couple of hours after the session we'll be try to upload. If not, by end of the day you will definitely get the training. That is the maximum
Okay.
duration. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for joining the session and make it successful. Okay.
Thank you, Kumar.
Hope you see.
Thank you.
Next Monday. Thank you.